Hi friends, myself Soham Ramnani.
And myself Roma Ramnani.
Welcome to Roma Arts.
Discover a talent in you. So now I'll teach you U, V and W, X, Y, Z. So U, V, W. W requires 6 lines. So we leave first here 1, 2, 3 across here. This is for U. 1, 2, 3. This is for V. And for W, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So X we can't fit here. We'll fit X here. 1, 2, 3. Cross here. 1, 2, 3. For Y. And for Z, 1, 2, 3. So first we'll start with U. We'll remove the points from here. 1 centimeter gap, and we have finished with U. Now we'll come to V. These are our two second line. So point here. This is our first line and this is the third line. We'll go this way. While connecting to this, we'll go here, and this to this point. Sorry. Over here. And W. For W we'll go here, and the 6th line here. So 1 centimeter marking here, and a 1 centimeter marking here also, and a half line not connected till the end. We'll bring this down and connect to the second line. W will come down this way. 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks. First line to the last line. Again, this last line to the first line. You have to rub it in between. Darken it. न मुझे मां पंहिंजे लेखे थी ॻाल्हायां, हू डब कंदो, हूअं ई फास्ट कंदो न, मुंहिंजो थोरी न रिकॉर्डिंग करण वारो आहे. सभु विझी न सघंदो. For Y, we have to connect these lines like we connected in X, the same thing. Half will be connected here.